डेली 200 और मोर स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ हेयर लॉस लूज करना, इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल। ये अर्ली हेयर लॉस का सिग्नल हो सकता है। सी साइंटिफिकली हेयर लॉस और हेयर शेडिंग अलग अलग चीजें हैं एंड एंड्रोजेनेटिक एलोपेशिया साइलेंटली प्रोग्रेस करता है। एज यू कैन सी इन द आर्टिकल ऑन योर स्क्रीन, इट इज वेल known now that 30% of men and women by the age of 30 experience hair loss in male or female pattern and 80% by the age of 80. Also, there are many other interesting facts, but अभी हम सबसे पहले ये देखते हैं there are 6 warning signs, जिसमें से 2 या उससे ज्यादा अगर आप पर अप्लाई हो रहे हैं then you need to be cautious. Also, what is causing more than 200 strands hair fall in a day and what should be your action plan? What to do now? You will get answers to all 3 of these questions in today's video. Now sign 1, the shedding pattern is patterned, यानी एक पैटर्न में हेयर लॉस हो रहा है। जैसे एम शेप डीपन होता जा रहा है, हेयर लाइन पीछे जाती जा रही है, वर्टेक्स में थिनिंग हो गई है, एक सर्कल जैसा बनता जा रहा है। तो दिस कुड बी साइन नंबर 2, डिफ्यूज थिनिंग। इन डिफ्यूज थिनिंग, ड्यू टू थिननेस ऑफ द strands and scalp show, the scalp becomes visible more and more during the period of time. Sign number 3 is duration of 8 weeks. 8 हफ्ते से या उससे ज्यादा से आपको severe hair loss हुए चला जा रहा है। Now sign number 4 is that hair strands are not of very much length, but they are shorter and they are thinner. Sign number 5 is itchy, flaky, dandruff wala scalp. Yani inflammation is too much on the scalp, due to which you are losing hair, because severe dandruff only can cause hair loss. Now sign number 6 is physical symptoms along with hair loss, जिसमें आपकी body की health is deteriorating, due to which your hair loss is there. Coming to question number 2, what reasons cause hair loss more than 200 strands in a day? So number 1 reason could be any previous illness or medical history which causes this kind of hair loss, which comes in acute telogen effluvium. Culprit number 2 is nutritional deficiency, which is so common nowadays, especially vitamin D3 deficiency. Culprit number 3 could be ongoing androgenetic alopecia, which is DHT driven alopecia. Culprit number 4 could be scalp health issues, too much of dandruff, or if somebody has psoriasis and problems like that, local scalp problems, then they may be experiencing a lot of hair fall. We need to treat them in the same way. So if you have 2 or more than 2 signs जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किए, you need to see your hair doctor